In this video, you will learn how to transfer money from RIA to a bank account. First, log in. Log into your RIA account. Access your account through the RIA website or RIA's mobile app. Initiate a transfer. Click on Send Money to begin the process. Provide the recipient details. Enter your recipient's full name, phone number, and residential address. For bank transfers, you'll also need their bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure the information matches their bank account records. To prevent any delays, select Bank Deposit as delivery method. Choose Bank Deposit as the delivery method. This will send the funds directly to the recipient's bank account. Choose the payment method. Select your preferred payment method. This could be debit card, credit card, or even your bank account. Note that the payment via credit or debit card typically processes faster, often within 15 minutes to 3 hours. Bank transfer can take up to 4 business days. Review and confirm. Double check all the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the transfer. Track your transfer. Use RIA's Track a Transfer tool to monitor the status of your transaction. You will need the order number or the PIN to access this feature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.